Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S21. So basically, if you want to set your favorite song or any other sound as your ringtone, I'll show you how to do it. So first up, make sure you have an MP3 of your favorite song or any other sound on your phone. And then go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, Ringtone, and here you can choose from Galaxy ringtones basically, and if you want a custom ringtone, click on this button right here, click on a song you want to choose, and here is the feature someone may like and someone may not. Play selected highlights only. It will automatically find the highlighted moment like this, or you can turn it off and the song will play from the start basically. I prefer this method with this feature off, so click done and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.